How to fix sending message field in Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to fix sending message field in Instagram. So in order to fix it, first thing first, what you can do is you can check your internet connection. If you have unstable or poor internet connection, that might be one of the reasons why you're unable to send message on Instagram. So what you can do is you can simply go ahead and check your internet service. If you're using a mobile data, then you can simply switch it over to Wi-Fi. Similarly, if you're using Wi-Fi, then you can switch it over to mobile data for a while. And if nothing seems to be working out, then you can also turn off your router for 20 seconds, and after that you can restart it, and that might be able to fix it. Apart from it, you can also check if Instagram is down. You can check the server by going through its official website or on the Twitter itself. You can also try restarting your Instagram application. At the same time, restart your device, as sometimes the issue might not be on the Instagram app. Issue might not be on the application, but it might be on the device itself. You can go ahead and restart your device. You can also make sure to check that whether the user has blocked you or not. If the particular user has blocked you on your Instagram, then you'll not be able to send messages. So you can try sending the same messages to other contact or the user and see whether the user has blocked you or not. Also make sure that you're not banned from your Instagram account. Sometimes banning your account can also hamper this kind of issue. You can also try clearing your cache as well as data. For that, long press on your Instagram application, tap the I button, and while you're on this page, go to storage and cache. Once you tap on storage and cache, click on clear cache, and if you know your credential, then tap on clear storage as well. Once you've done that, this might be able to fix the issue. And sometimes not updating your application can also play a vital role. So for that, go to your Play Store and then check whether the Instagram application is up to date or not. Now these are some of the ways to fix your sending message field in Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.